So you have an older phone and you want a mag ring, and pretty much everybody has one now with the newest phone, but you don't want to spend the money. Well, I'm gonna tell you something. They sell the rings by themselves. So if you have a car mount or anything that you need to attach it to, this is perfect for that. Not only that, they give you actually a little measuring area where you have to center the actual ring. All right, so I use my phone to record a lot of these videos. So we're gonna put it on already, right? And all you gotta do is just magnetize. It's ready to go. Take it off. Now, unfortunately, in some cases it didn't want to work. I tried it on my case. It's a little slippery, but just be careful. But it works perfect. I put it under my phone case. Look at this, how strong it is, right? Just it's underneath my phone case. Look at that. Perfect. Still, it's that strong. And of course, you can always take it off. Just be careful sometimes. If you don't have it right properly in the center, you're going to be adjusting it. So right now it's just perfect fine. I could walk with it. Simple to install, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.